example on the basis of last lecture 3 formula. So what you learn means recall of this concept. First is how to find out the density. So density means symbol is rho. So rho which is equal to molar mass of substance, capital M, into N. So small n means number of particle or rank of unit cell. So small n, it is also denoted by Z. Second formula, number of particle in x gram metal. So which is equal to x into n upon rho into a cube. Next, third formula, number of unit cell in x gram metal means x into n upon rho into a cube into 1 upon n. So with the help of this formula you find out a number of unit cell in x metal. Fourth formula, number of unit cell in volume. So how to find out a volume of unit cell? How to find out a volume of unit cell? So which is equal to V upon A cube. So V means given volume. So V which is given as given value of volume. So we given as given volume upon A cube. Given volume upon A cube. So with the help of V upon A cube formula we find out a number of units. So using this formula we find out a different kind of examples numerical based on this formula. So we solve a first example. A compound is made up of elements C and D. Capital C and D crystallizes in the FCC structure. Face center cubic crystal or face center cubic structure. Atom C present at the corner of the cube. Atom C present at the corner of the cube. And atom D is present at the faces of the cube. Atom D present at the center of faces of the cube. And what is the formula of this compound? So first we written as given value. So in this example we gave the values atoms of C present at the corner of cube. Present at the corner of cube. And atom D present at the center of face of cube. Center of phases of cube. So we study different types of crystal structure. So simple cube structure means this diagram of unit cell or simple crystal structure like this. So this is a cube. This is a cube. So in this cube, this is our 8 corners in upper part, and this is next 8 corner in lower part. So total corner is 8 in any crystal structure, but we have to given as FCC structure. FCC structure means face center cubic crystal or face center cubic structure. So in FCC structure means face center cubic structure. So cube have 6 phases. So this is first phase, this is second phase, this is third, and this is fourth. And above portion is this is one atom, and below portion this is. So cube have 6 phases. But atom of C, so this we indicated as present at the corner of. So this is C, this is C. Only corner atom is indicated by C. So how many atoms? 8 corners, and 8 corner are contribution only 1 by 8. Total have 8 corners. Total in FCC or any structure, total have 8 corners. And contribution of this atom are only 1 by 8 portion. Only 1 by 8 portion. So this 8 ones are 8 and 8 ones are 8. So atom C present at the corner of the cube. So 8 atom in the corner and contribution of this atom. So 1 by 8 portion only, contribution of the corner. So 8 into 1 by 8. So cancel 8 and 8 each other. So we get only one atom. Next, atom D present at the center of faces of cube. So this is atom D. So how many? This is the atom. This is D. This is D. This is D. This one is D and this also D. So how many phases? So cube have 6 phases. And contribution of these phases means one single atom. So contribution in this cube. So in this corner only 1 by 8 portion, and in this means how to contribution we study in means last lecture different types of crystal structure. So how to find out in simple cubic structure, body center structure and face center structure. So this is in cube have 6 phases, but this cube one phases have one atom. So this one atom only half portion inside this cube. Only half portion means this is half portion are inside this cube, means this is one atom. So this is half portion. So this upper half portion inside the cube, and this half portion are upper part of this cube, means above the cube, and this half portion, shaded half portion are below the cube. This shaded half portion are below the cube. This is a below in this cube and this is above in this cube. Means only half portion, only this half portion are inside the cube and half portion are above the cube. So only distribution of this atom D are half. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So how many atoms we get? 3 atoms. So how many atoms we get? 3 atoms. So atom C are only one atom, and atom B have 3 atoms. So total this one plus this one. So we get a total in FCC structure. 4 atoms. Means number of particles or number of atoms contributing in face center cubic structure. So how? 4 atoms. So C atom is only 1 and atom D atom is 3 atoms. So formula for this compound is C. Only 1 atom. So we can't represent this one. So but D is 3. So formula of this compound is CD3. So formula of this compound is CD3. So this is the formula of face center cubic structure. CD3. Next, second example, a compound is formed by 2 elements A and B. The atom of element B forms a CCP structure, means cubic closed packed structure. The atoms of A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral void. And what is the formula of the compound? And we have to find out what is the formula of compound. So in this example we given as CCP structure, means cubic structure. So it is denoted as CCP, cubic closed packed structure. So it is denoted as CCP. So A atom means the compound is formed by two elements A and B. So atoms of element B. So next given as atoms of element B forms CCP structure. Forms CCP structure. So next, atom A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral void. 1/3 of tetrahedral void. So what is the formula of compound? So we have to find out a formula of compound. We have to find out a formula of compound. This is a given value. In last lecture we studied tetrahedral void and octahedral void. So first, tetrahedral void so in any unit cell we have to a tetrahedral void 2n means in any unit cell we observe a tetrahedral void 2 and n numbers of particles. And octahedral void in any unit cell is the half of tetrahedral void. So it is only n. So it is next formula we have to use in this formula. So next we written as a number of tetrahedral void. The number of tetrahedral void it generated is the twice of number. It generated is the twice of number of B atoms. So we also study the tetrahedral void is 2n. So capital N is the number of particles and octahedral void is the half of tetrahedral void. So we consider as only 1n. So in this example, the number of tetrahedral void it generated is the twice the number of B atom. So first we written using this formula a number of tetrahedral void. So tetrahedral void it generated a twice of number of B atoms. तो यहाँ पे n नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल ही होता है, तो कितने नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल मतलब कौन सा एटम ने कंबाइन किया है? बी एटम ने. तो यहाँ पे मैं सिंपली लिख सकती हूँ 2b एटम. द नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल एटम और टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड इज 2b atom. Next we have to find out the atom A occupy. Only 1/3 of tetrahedral atom. So next we have to find out a number of octahedral void, means number of A atom. So atom A occupy only 1/3 of tetrahedral void. Means the number of tetrahedral void is 2b, but only 1/3 of tetrahedral void are used in atom A. So we have to find out a number of A particle, number of A atoms, which is equal to 2B tetrahedral void, 2B into only 1/3 portion occupied. So 2B into 1/3. 2B into 1/3. So we get 2 into 1, 2 and B into 1, B. So we get 2B upon 3. Number of A atom 2B upon 3. So we have to find out a ratio of A and B atom. We have to find out a ratio of means A as to B. So how many atom? A atom. How many number of A atom? 2B upon 3. And B atom is number of B atom. Only 2B. A number of B atom. And next, octahedral void means half of the tetrahedral void. So number of B atom. So यहाँ पे number of B atom. Number of B atom is half of the tetrahedral void, means only half means 1B. Only half means 1B. So number of B atom is 1B. So ratio of B atom is 1B. So how to find out a number of B atom? Means this ratio like this, 2 upon 3 as to 1. 2 upon 3 as to 1. But we have to find out a formula of compound. So any whole number is multiplied by 2/3 and we get a whole number. We get a whole number. Means for example, यहाँ पे मैंने 3 मुझे डिलीट करना है डिनोमिनेटर से, तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी? 2/3 into 3. और यहाँ पे उसी नंबर से इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी, तो यहाँ पे 3 गेट कैंसिल आउट इच अदर. और यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 2. रेशियो हमें क्या मिला? होल नंबर जो हमें चाहिए था, तो वहाँ पे 2/3 into 3. मतलब इस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. कोई भी उसका नंबर जो आएगा आंसर, वो होल नंबर आना चाहिए. वो क्या आना चाहिए? होल नंबर. तो यहाँ पे हमें 3 और 3 कैंसिल हो गए, तो यहाँ पे 2 आ गया और 3 1 जा 3. तो A के कितना एटम है? ये रेशियो ऑफ A एस टू B है ना यहाँ पे. तो रेशियो ऑफ A कितना है? ओनली 2 एटम. और रेशियो B कितना है? 1 into 3 कितना है? 3 एटम. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड. मींस वी गेट A2 and B3. This is the formula of compound. We get a final answer. जो मींस न्यूमेरिकल दिए हुए होते हैं उसमें मींस लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने स्टडी किए सीसीपी में. सीसीपी मींस क्या? सीसीपी और एफसीसी सेम है, क्यूबिक क्लोज पार्टिकल और फेस सेंटर क्लोज पार्टिकल. तो यहाँ पे हमें ठीक से मतलब समझना है एग्जांपल में क्या दिया हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे क्या क्या दिया है? सीसीपी स्ट्रक्चर दिया है. एटम्स ऑफ फिलामेंट बी फॉर्म्स अ सीसीपी स्ट्रक्चर. और ए ने कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है? 1/3 ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल. तो हमें ये पता है टेट्राहेड्रल वॉल्यूम व्हिच इज इक्वल टू 2n. और n क्या है? नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल. उसके हाफ होते हैं ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉल्यूम. तो उस फॉर्मूला के बेस हमें ये लिखना था, द नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वॉल्यूम इज जनरेटेड टू ट्वाइस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ b. तो नंबर ऑफ b कितना था? ऑक्टाहेड्रल ही होगा, तो ये 1b आ गया. और नंबर ऑफ a मतलब जो हमने टेट्राहेड्रल वॉल्यूम कितने कंसीडर किए? 2b. तो उसके ओनली 1/3. तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ a आइटम कितना आ गया? तो यहाँ पे लिखा है ना नंबर ऑफ a ऑक्यूपाइड 1/3. तो ये जो 2b into 1/3 करना था, तो ये हमें a का रेशियो 2/3 into b मिल गया. तो रेशियो ऑफ a as to b फाइंड आउट किया. 2 into b upon 3 as to 1b. तो इस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए कि इसका नंबर होल. तो यहाँ पे मैंने सिंपली 3 से कर दिया, तो यहाँ पे आ गया 2 और यहाँ पे आ गया 3. सो A2B3. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड इन cubic closed particle structure. So next third example, niobium means niobium forms a BCC structure. The density of niobium is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube and length of unit cell edge length is 330.6 picometer. How many atoms and unit cell present in 0.5 gram of niobium? So niobium is an element, so symbol is Nb. So it forms a BCC structure, means number of particle or rank of unit cell, means this is denoted by N. So for BCC structure, so corner 1 by 8 into 8, so only one atom, and BCC a body diagonal, means one atom in the body center, so 1 plus 1 we get a 2 atom. So number of particle or rank of atom in BCC structure, body center cubic structure, so we get 2 atom. So corner bone 1 atom and body 1 atom, so 1 plus 1 2 atom. And density, so density symbol is rho. A density symbol is rho. So rho is density of niobium is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. And next we have to given as edge length. Edge length means A, which is equal to 330.6 picometer. So this convert this picometer into centimeter. So 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. And a x gram metal, so x value which is given as 0.5 gram, and we have to find out a number of atoms and number of unit cell present in x gram of metal. So x means 0.5 gram and metal means niobium. So we have to find out these two formulae, number of particle in x gram metal and number of unit cell in x gram. So we write a given value. So we already written in given values. So we find out a first number of particle, or atoms in x gram. So x means 0.5 in 0.5 gram of niobium, means Nb. So formula is x into n, number of particles, and rho means into A2. So using this formula, put up the value in this first formula. X means 0.5 gram, number of particles for BCC structure, so 2 atom, rho 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, and next A cube. So A 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So this is gram value, this is gram, and this is a centimeter. So A cube, so whole bracket cube. So we have to find out on multiplication 0.5 into 2 upon 8.5, 55 into 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 whole bracket. Multiplication and division, we get a final answer. So simply 0.5 into 2. So 5 2s are 10, 2 zeros are 0 and 1. So we get only simple 5 2s are 10 and decimal point. So after a decimal point, how many digits? 1 digit. So we replace by 1 digit. So we get answer 1.0 gram upon 8.55 and we multiply, means we calculate this cube 3.306 into 3.306 into 3.306. 3.306 means this value multiplied by 3 times. This value is multiplied by 3 times. This value is multiplied by 3 times. So this value multiplied by 3 times, so we get 36.13. We get a 36.13 and 10 raised to 8 3s are 24. We use a laws of indices, a raised to m into n. So multiply m into n, 8 3s are 24. So we get one number is minus, so we get a minus sign on this answer. So next we multiply all this term and we get a final answer on calculating means division and calculation. We get 3.25 into 10 raised to 21. 3.25 into 10 raised to 21 number of atoms or particle present in 0.5 gram of niobium metal. Means on this value multiplying we get means this 1.0 means 1 and 8.55 into 36.30 we get 308.4 308.4 308.94 into 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to multiplying this value, so we get 308.94 into 10 raised to minus 24 and division on we get, so we get 3.25 into 10 raised to 21 number of particle or atoms present in 0.5 gram of niobium. And next we have to find out a number of unit cell. A number of unit cell. So number of unit cell in 0.5 gram of niobium means Mb. So formula x into n. X into n upon rho into a cube into 1 by n. So putting the value x 0.5, n 2, rho 8.50. So rho 8.55, a cube means 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 whole bracket cube a cube into 1 by 2. N means 2. So 2 get cancel out each other and multiplying means 0.5 and divide by 8.55 into 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 whole cube. So on solving this equation and final answer of this question is 1.61 into 10 raised to 21 unit cell are present in x gram means 0.5 gram. Means first we read carefully example and we write out a given value, and using this formula we find out a number of particles atoms in x gram metal and number of unit cell in x gram. So x is 0.5 of niobium. So number of particle or atom in 0.5 gram of niobium we get 3.25 into 10 raised to 21 atom and number of unit cell is 1.61 into 10 raised to 21 number of unit cell present in 0.5 gram of niobium. Next example, copper crystallizes in FCC type unit cell. The edge length of unit cell is 360.8 picometer. The density of metallic copper is 8.92 gram per centimeter cube. Determine the atomic mass of copper. Means we given as a copper crystal in FCC. Means copper symbol is Cu. So it crystal as FCC type means face center cubic structure. So total number of atom for this FCC. So this N which is a for FCC crystal in FCC structure means face center cubic structure. So number of or rank of unit cell, number of atom contributed in copper face center cubic structure or rank of unit cell. So it is 4 atom. It is 4 atom. Next we given as value edge length. So edge length of copper. Edge length symbol is A. So 360.8 picometer. So convert this unit in centimeter. Convert this unit in centimeter means 3.608 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Next density. So density is symbol is rho. Density symbol is rho. So we given as 8.92 gram per centimeter cube. Gram per centimeter cube. And we have to find out a atomic mass of copper. means molar mass of copper. Atomic or molar mass of copper. Copper. So question mark. So atomic mass of copper element means only one element, copper crystal. So we have to write as molar mass. Density of compound means density of copper. So symbol is rho. So written like this, rho into formula m into n upon a cube into Na. But we have to find out a molar or atomic mass of copper. So we rearrange with this formula m and rho into means this a cube into Na on division. So we shift the direction means this is right hand side value, change in left hand side. So division get converted into multiplication. So rho into a cube into Na and m. So we have to find out m and this is multiplication. So change in division upon n. So putting this value in equation, rho 8.92 gram, a cube 3.608 into 10 raised to minus 8 and whole bracket cube a cube into Na 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle or atoms upon number of particles 4 atoms. So multiplying at 3.608 into 3 times and calculate the answer. So 8.92 into 46.97 means 3 value multiply 3 times, so we get value 46.97 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 3 10 raised to minus 24. So next 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 upon 4. So multiplying and division on this gate, we get the value 63.07 gram per mole. So this is the atomic or molar mass of compound. This is m means molar mass, means in this example we have to find out atomic mass of copper. So this is our final answer. Means first we identify the given value and convert picometer into centimeter edge length, and using correct formula putting this value and solve a mathematical concept using log table. So I just simply calculation, we calculate a small example, means this is multiply. So multiply means simple in multiplication or division, but in examination a very large value. So this large value cannot be calculated. This is a complicated. So using a log table we find out this answer. So multiplication in log table multiplication, first we adding a 8.92 log and 46.97 and division means minus, and these two value, first add this two value of logarithm, then check antilog of this logarithm value, and next division means minus sign, and this answer minus a log 4. So using this logarithm method we have to find out a different types of example. So this is an example using a rho formula, means density of crystal, but rearranging m which is equal to rho into a cube into n upon n. So solve carefully with mathematical concept and final answer we get correctly. So means we have to find out a correct answer. So we have to solve a proper mathematical concept. So using log table. We also find out a same answer. We also find out a same answer of this question. So I hope you understand all these concepts in numerical. So if you have any query or doubt, ask me. Thank you, student.